Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. We are here with another interesting tutorial on Raspberry Pi. Today we are going to use Raspberry Pi to set up your own WordPress website. We will go through the detailed step-by-step installation on setting up WordPress in this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so and like the videos. Check out my channel for more Arduino, Raspberry Pi projects and DevOps videos. I have written a detailed instruction on my website thetipsforyou.com, regarding how to build your own website in WordPress on Raspberry Pi. So I will be following the step-by-step instruction as per this post. I have given the link in the description of the video. There are majorly 6 steps for setting up WordPress and build your website. Below are those and we will go through it one by one. Step 1. Set up Apache web server. Step 2. Install PHP on Raspberry Pi. Step 3. Install MySQL on Raspberry Pi. Step 4. Download WordPress on Raspberry Pi. Step 5. Configure MySQL and set up WordPress database. Step 6. Configure WordPress. If you are very new to Raspberry Pi, check out my tutorial on how to set up Raspberry Pi for first use. Below are the sum of the components you need if you are connecting directly to Pi and not through SSH. Raspberry Pi. A micro USB power supply. Micro SD card, recommended is 8 GB. TV or computer monitor. It is possible to set up Raspberry Pi without monitor. For now we will connect the Pi to monitor. HDMI cable. Ethernet cable, if you don't have wireless. Keyboard and mouse. Okay, great. Let's start the first step, which is setting up Apache web server. Follow along. Update and upgrade command may take 5 to 10 minutes depending upon how much new data is need to be downloaded to the system. So wait for the upgrade to complete. we have installed Apache on Raspberry Pi. You can check the installation by running localhost on the web browser or using the IP address of Raspberry Pi. The page will display the Apache default web page. The default index.html file will be located under /var/www/html. The step 2 is install PHP on Raspberry Pi. Follow the steps as you see on the screen. Now PHP is installed and we have the hello world index.php file created for testing. The next step is do the installation of MySQL on Raspberry Pi. Follow the steps. It's time to download and install WordPress. Before doing that, remove all the file under the location /var/www/html. We will use wget to download WordPress and extract the content to the location. Follow the steps as per the instructions. Cool. We are almost done. Next is to configure MySQL and set up WordPress database. Follow the step-by-step command as you see on the screen. Make sure you are setting up a root DB password, which is noted down. We will be using this in grant privilege command and also at the time of configuring WordPress. Exit the DB configuration by pressing Ctrl+D on your keyboard. Now you can reload the localhost web page and we will be prompted to configure WordPress. Follow the steps as you see on the screen. The username is root and the password is which you have set in the MySQL database. Since I have used password as my password, I am not changing that. Give your website a title. If you have a domain, the title can be your domain. Set a username and password for WordPress control panel login. Great, we have completed the setup and we have the WordPress website up and running on Raspberry Pi. This is the default dashboard of WordPress login and you can create posts, pages etc. from the administration page. We will see more about this in coming tutorials. Also, currently your website is accessible only in your own network. If you need to access the page through internet, we need more work. We'll discuss about in future tutorials. Thank you for watching and I hope you like the video. Kindly subscribe to my channel.